Hi, I'm Anthony, and this is Ray Smile Bake. Today, we're going to make a fruit pastry. For this, you'll need pastry puff, 1 egg, cream cheese, sugar, and pie filling. Now that my dance is done, we're going to make cream cheese with sugar mixture. First, we pour this. And then we add half a cup of sugar. And then we mix. Now we added an egg, and now we continue mixing. Here is our pastry puff. But we're gonna roll it out a little bit with our rolling pin. So get your rolling pin and roll it a bit. Now we're gonna cut it into squares and put the filling. Before we do the filling, we're gonna make our egg wash. So grab your whisk and mix the egg. Now we're gonna set it aside and pull the pastry puff back, and then you're gonna put 1 scoop of this into each of them. And 1 scoop with the pie filling with it too. And then we fold into a triangle, and grab your fork and press it down on the sides. Don't press it in the middle because the filling will ooze out. Don't forget to put some holes on the top and do the egg wash. After you're done doing that, put in the oven for 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Now I have your parents stick in the oven. There we go. It looks yummy. Like and subscribe and watch our next video.